Hello AAP students. Hopefully the video from Wednesday was actually helpful because I'm doing one again for your lesson today. So today you are going to be working on your log lines, and thank goodness I already taught you how to do this, so this lesson is going to be a breeze. Make sure that you review the driving question and your list of need-to-knows to make sure that you're answering those questions within your project. So I have posted the logline example and mini lesson link just like we did for the first go around when I made you do this for the last project. So that's on Google Classroom for you. And I've actually reposted it. Let me go back to your class. I've actually reposted it under the House of the Scorpion. So it'll be right there for you so you don't have to go hunt and find it in another topic. So you'll click on that link, refresh yourself with the video, write your log line, and rather than doing the formal jigsaw with person A, person B, all that great stuff, I do want you to run your log line by someone else because it will help make your pitch more succinct and easier to understand, just like it was really helpful for you for the narrative writing project. And I've also put the formula again, just in case you didn't remember it after doing it only one time in your life. The rest of the time, you'll have to work on your film adaptation PBL, and don't forget to go back to that daily goals document that you started last time and to reflect on whether or not you've accomplished your goals. I won't really be on the computer this week. I'm hoping that I'll be back in on Monday, but I won't be able to give you feedback this week on your project. But do make sure that you've shared that daily goals document with me. And when you're ready to start working on the actual presentation, you can feel free to go ahead and create your Google Slides and share them with your group members. You don't necessarily need to share that with me, but you can certainly put a link to it in your daily goals document if you'd want me to look at it next week. All right, hopefully you have another successful day. Your substitute should be Miss Watson, who's going to be your substitute after I'm gone. So please treat her nicely. She knows what she's doing. And I will hopefully see you on Monday. Bye-bye.